So IoT investment areas. So first, application and content. What we mean by that is we're going to enable people to build their own solutions in manufacturing and service by strengthening our building blocks. Of course, we're always working on platform scalability and upgradability. Now we're also enhancing IT and developer productivity, again, to support your ability to make custom solutions with ThingWorx. We're also working on the convergence of IT and OT, so edge connectivity and data operations. And then finally, we're working on analytics and generative AI, which I'll talk to you about in this next section. Okay, before I get into exactly what we're doing in AI, I want to let you know the value drivers that we're after, and they're quite simple, the ones that we've been after with you forever. In engineering, we want to improve engineering quality, we want to improve engineering throughput, we want to use less engineering hours, and we want to reduce the amount of parts that you use so you can lower the cost of goods sold. In manufacturing, we want to improve things like first pass yield, factory throughput, reduce scrap, and then of course, skill the workforce. Likewise, in service, we want to have the least number of spare parts in your network to supply the kind of SLAs that you've signed up with your customers, to be able to do things like proactive service, and of course, reduce the service delivery costs by making service technicians very, very efficient.